So, the man who mans the lighthouse.
Is that what it's called?
Well, I would think that the lighthouse guy would live there. Oh, there's a friggin' castle.
No way.
Yes.
Okay, we're coming into Kirkwall for anyone who is on here listening. And there's a castle on the bank.
That's cool.
Okay, it's shaky. I know it's hard to watch when it's shaky like that.
Yeah, it's because we're on the boat. Is that why?
No, it's because I zoomed in.
Oh.
So every little movement is magnified by 100 almost. Oh, we're coming into Kirkwall, Scotland. I was going to say Saskatchewan. We're not in Kansas anymore. Oh, man. All we need is a cup of Starbucks. Stardust.
The pictures just don't do it justice.
No.
No.
The air is fresh. And it's like 10 degrees.
Boo. I'm in my pajamas. I gotta get
Yeah, I would turn you around, but yeah, we just got out of bed. We look like sheep. Oh, look at the little houses on the hillside. Oh, man. Look at that castle. Okay, I'm going to zoom in and try and be steady. Slow connection. All right.